Hey everyone, it is time for our latest and greatest Tara's must-have. What's a Tara's must-have? Well, it's an item or a collection that I have curated just for you that's pretty and practical and purposeful. And this one will take your outdoor entertaining and indoor entertaining to a whole new level. We have our square 16-piece dinnerware set in our famous Stoneware. If you haven't tried Stoneware before, these plates go in the oven up to 500 degrees. They go in the dishwasher, the fridge, the freezer, the microwave, everything you're gonna wanna do. But let's take a peek at all the pieces. Service for 4, meaning 4 individual place settings. So let's start with that beautiful mug. This is actually our floral lace that has that carved detail right there on the side, and then the color is completely saturated around it. It has a beautiful pedestal base right there, and we've even painted the inside of our 16-ounce mug around the rim as well. Then look at how beautiful this bowl is. Beaded detail that runs around the edges, hand painting on the inside, carved detail on the outside. Again, all of the beautiful workmanship and detail, 22 ounces in total capacity. Here's your 8-inch salad or dessert plate, and then the large 10.5-inch dinner plate. So 4 dinner plates, 4 salad plates, 4 soup and cereal bowls, 4 great mugs, and the most beautiful way to set any table inside or outside. We also have it available in our old world as well. So where can you get it? Head on over to temp-tations.com and you can check out all of the colors that we have and both patterns available.